Not least, here's my Huracan. We got Adam driving it. Woo! What's up? How's that drive?
Awesome.
Yeah.
Perfect. Where are we parking?
I guess put it next to him. You're in silent mode, huh? No sport? Crank it up.
I can put it in auto.
Here we go. We got one 720S. We got my 720S. 650S over here. Woo! 570. All right, so over here we got the Porsche Panamera Turbo E Hybrid. And supposedly this is the fastest one they got now. I don't really know the specs, I just got introduced to it, but I know it's got all-wheel drive and it's a Turbo S. So I think we need to do Panamera Turbo S E Hybrid versus Tesla Model S P100D. We got two of them here. So that should be a good race too. We'll have to line that up. Alright, so as you saw, unfortunately we did not get to race that Panamera versus the Tesla. It would not have even been a close race anyways. I gotta say, for approaching $200,000 for that 680 horsepower Panamera, it's just gonna lose against anything in its class. I mean, the Tesla, the new E63, the M5, they're all gonna just destroy that. Even probably the RS7 can beat that car. But you know, for 200 grand, not a car for me. I'm sure it's very nice inside and it drives well, but just the performance for that kind of money just isn't there. Now, that being said, word is that that technology is going in the 911, and the new Turbo S could be a hybrid with maybe the electric motors powering the front wheels. Now, if that happens, that's a big game changer, because I've been waiting for an affordable hybrid supercar to come out. You know, Nissan GTR rumors they were going to have one coming out with 800 horsepower. I haven't heard anything about that in a long time, so maybe the Porsche 911 Turbo S Hybrid will be my first Porsche. So excited to see what they come out with. That car's just too heavy, 5,200 pounds. But maybe in a lightweight car with a hybrid, that could be the new age of supercars. So looking forward to seeing that. Thanks for watching. Update on the GT, we got some stuff coming. I know a lot of people are like, oh, where's the performance? Where's all the races? Don't worry, we got it in the works. It's coming. I got a few more miles to get for the break-in done on this car. You will start seeing some races and some more stuff coming. So thanks for watching.